This is the basic form of the quadratic equation. In our investigation of the quadratic equation so far, we have set b and c equal to 0, which has eliminated those last two terms, and we have been drawing graphs where a is equal to 1. We are going to call the graph of the quadratic equation where b and c are 0 and a is equal to 1 the most basic form of the quadratic equation, and we have seen that that creates a parabola. There are three important points to be noted about this parabola. The first is that the parabola opens upwards. The parabola will always open upwards when a is greater than 0. The second thing to note is that the origin is the vertex of the parabola. The vertex is the place where the parabola starts changing direction. And for the equation y equals ax squared, where a is equal to 1, the origin is the vertex of the parabola. And the third thing is that the parabola is symmetric around the y-axis. Remember that we plotted points. We plotted point, if this is 1 and this is 1, we plotted point 1, 1. We plotted points 2, 4. Over here, we plotted points minus 1, 1. And we plotted point minus 2, 4. So there's an absolute symmetry around the y-axis. And so this is a very important, an important summary of what that basic parabola is going to look like. And as we continue our exploration and we start playing with the value of a, we're going to make a greater than 1 and we're going to make a less than 1. We're going to be like adding a fourth characteristic to the parabola, but that fourth characteristic will be compared to this basic parabola. So it would be very important to get this basic parabola firmly set in your mind, which I hope you are doing. And I'll wind up there with this video.